Filipino Olympic gymnast na si Levi-Jung Revivar nasa Pilipinas na. Nakauwi na nga ng Pilipinas ang 18-year-old gymnast na si Levi-Jung Revivar kasama ang kanyang ama. Sila ay galing sa Los Angeles, California at nakatakdang makipagkita ating presidente matapos itong imbitahan ng kanilang opisina bilang parte ng Heroes Welcome. Matatandaang nito lamang nakaraang Lunes ay naglabas siya ng sama ng loob at sinabing talagang nasaktan siya nang ma-missed out niya ang Heroes Grand Homecoming Parade na inilaan para sa mga Filipino Olympians kung saan hindi nga siya nakasama dahil hindi umano siya ininformed at inimbita. Naglabas din si Levy ng screenshot ng conversation nila ng GAP President na si Mrs. Cynthia kung saan tinanong niya sa ginang ang patungkol sa event. Nakikitain nila si President Bongbong at ang sagot sa kanya ng ginang ay only for the medalist, Carlos and our two bronze medalist boxers. Kasunod nito ay ang tanong kung nasa Pilipinas ba siya at sagot ni Levy, no, I just heard there were track athletes going and that everyone was invited, so just wanted to check in. Malakip ng naturang post na ito ni Levy ay ang mahabang caption. Aniya, I wanted to come on here and address the questions regarding my absence at the Heroes event in the Philippines. I truly wish from the bottom of my heart that I could have attended and been part of this event, but unfortunately, I was never informed that I was invited or presented with the opportunity to go. I heard from a member of the Olympic delegation that some sort of event was taking place in Manila to meet the president. On August 7th, I sent a WhatsApp text message to my NSA head stating that I had heard that there was an upcoming event to meet the President Bongbong Marcos, and I asked what the event entailed. On August 8th, I received a message stating that it was only for medalists. Carlos and the two bronze medalists, the boxers. I responded inquiring if that was in fact correct because I had heard all Olympians were invited. I never received a response or any further information and still haven't had any communication about it. The following week, I was surprised when I saw all Filipino Olympians, except for me, Alea, and Emma in Manila, participating in a meeting with President Bongbong Marcos and participating in a parade. I was really hurt, considering this was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity I missed out on. I wanted to be part of the celebration with my fellow Olympians and to share in the excitement of the success of these Olympics with my country, the Philippines. I truly wish I could have gone considering I have sacrificed endlessly to perform for my country and to make everyone proud. I have no current obligations in the States. Before I head to Stanford early September, there was nothing prohibiting me from attending this extraordinary event. I want to let everyone know that I am so incredibly grateful for the support, the love, and the Pinoy pride. I am truly excited to continue competing for the Philippines, and I look forward to taking every opportunity to come to the Philippines and hopefully inspire the new generations of Filipino gymnasts that are the future. Napakomento naman ang mga netizens kaugnay sa naging isyung ito. Ang isa, dapat may coordination sana yung Gymnastics Associations of the Philippines doon sa PSC. Dapat kasi PSC sana nag-facilitate sa mga Olympian na umuwi ng Pilipinas dahil may medalya man o wala na. Nasungkit ang isang Olympian, party pa din dapat sila ng recognition kasi nag-present pa rin naman sila ng Pilipinas doon sa Olympics. Dagdag pa ng isa, para sa lahat ng athlete yun, win or lose, napaka-unfair naman. Naghihirap yung tao para mag-training at mag-compete, nandun rin naman yung ibang athlete na nag-compete din. Once in a lifetime yun, ipinagkait pa. Dagdag pa ng isa, no one should be left behind. Gosh, what a shame. We are still proud of the three of you representing our country. Grabe, tanungin pa talaga why she is in the Philippines. Malamang citizen siya, at least nag-represent siya ng ating bansa sa Olympics. Dapat pantay-pantay ang trato sa ating mga Olympians, may medal o wala, kasi they all tried their best effort to represent the country. Wag lang kung kani-kanino na may pakinabang. Lahat sila dumaan sa matinding training. We are still proud of you, Levi. Thank you for representing the Philippines.